dear colleagues and jury, I'm glad to participate in this competition. And now I need to introduce myself. As I'm an English teacher, I decided to introduce myself in English language. Okay, let's start.
I am Тажмағамбетова Салтанат. I was born on 1st of May 1929 in the Makat oil region, where wise and talented persons were born, and here I graduated from my school. I wanted to be a teacher and to learn foreign languages since my childhood, so I did my bachelor degree from Bәйгетөбе University in 2019 by specialty foreign languages to foreign language. After my student years, I worked as a technical coordinator and translator at the foreign company in Tingis village. But this job title didn't make me shine with pride like the title teacher. Currently, I am an English teacher at Bәйгетөбе School Nursery Complex. I have been working here for 7 months, and also I am a class tutor of 10th grade. I'm a teacher and I'm proud. I'm proud to be a part of a group of individuals who do what they do for the love of the job and the student, not for the desire of the money. I'm proud to have colleagues who inspire me every day to be a better teacher. I'm proud that I get to come alongside parents every day, knowing they trust me with their most precious and valuable gift. I'm proud to be a part of the profession that creates all other professions. Teacher's profession is not easy, but there is one thing I can make clear at the end of the day. I'm a teacher and I'm proud of it. In my opinion, to be a teacher, you need to be versatile. I'm also a young professional who is trying my best to meet this requirement. My goal is not only to be active in the educational process, but also to work effectively, involving myself and my students in social and educational activities. One of the proofs of this is the short-term prizes of district and regional competitions. I'm also the leader of a critical debate club, which helps to express openly, give concrete evidence of words. Extracurricular time after the lessons, I play chess and our national game Тоғызқұмалақ because it's my hobby and passion. As a young specialist, I took part in Olympiads, competitions, and won prizes in order to prove myself in the field of education. One of the proofs of this is the short-term prizes of district and regional competition. I think that my achievement, which I have in a short time, are the result of the trust of teachers who taught me.
Бәйгетөбе мектеп бөбекжай кешеніне 2020-2021 оқу жылында жас педагогтар қабылданды. Кеше ғана өткізілген жаңа мектепке жаңашыл ұстаз атты жас педагогтар сайысында ағылшын тілінің пәнінің мұғалімі Тажмағамбетова Салтанат оза шауып жүлделі бас жүлдені жеңіп алды. Біз аудандық сайысқа қатысқалы отырған ағылшын тілі пәнінің мұғалімі Тажмағамбетова Салтанатқа ұжым үлкен сенім артады. Осы сайыста да сабақ беру кезінде жаңа әдіс-тәсілдерді пайдаланып, жүлделі орынмен оралатынына сенім білдіреміз. Сәттілік.